everyone, my name's Kimberley Wilson and I'm a psychologist and brain health expert. In my final instalment for the INEOS Go Humans Academy, I'm talking about what I like to call boring self-care, or life admin with benefits. Mental health self-care isn't all scented bubble baths and duvet days. While these activities have their place, self-care is really all about self-parenting. It's combining care with appropriate boundaries, with the goal of making life better for your future self. There might be ways in which you're making life harder for your future self. And it's time to start taking yourself seriously. This task isn't necessarily fun, but it is valuable. Number 1, book a dentist appointment. Seriously, you are probably overdue one. When we're stressed or depressed, life admin can be one of the first things that gets put on the back burner, and that includes routine health appointments. Number 2, count up your alcohol units and don't cheat. Alcohol is a neurotoxin, and regular alcohol consumption is linked to increased anxiety, depression, and increased dementia risk. A lot of us underestimate how much we're drinking, so do try to be honest with yourself. Once you've totted up the intake, how does that figure compare with the recommended limit of 14 units per week? You can visit auditscreen.org to check for any signs of dependence if you think you might need more support. Number 3, find your pension. There are 3 million lost or unclaimed pensions in the UK, worth a combined £27 billion. Future you needs that money. Visit the government's Pension Finder tool to see if one of them is yours.